Hello everybody and welcome to the Lexus of Tulsa virtual classroom. I'm Brandie Back, your Lexus technology specialist, and today we are going to go over Lexus Interface Phone. I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to Bluetooth as well as how to remove it, accessing Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as some additional features that are available to you. Let's get started. To pair your phone to Bluetooth, you are going to select Setup on the main menu sidebar. Next, you will select Bluetooth and Devices. And then you want to make sure Bluetooth is on your phone, so you're going to select Bluetooth in your settings. And then select Search for Devices on the interface screen. It will then populate available devices to pair to, but it will also populate on the phone, so we are going to select Lexus TX. And then it will prompt us with a Bluetooth pairing request and a code, and we are going to select Pair. And then we are going to select OK on the interface screen to confirm the pairing. And then it's going to ask if we want to allow our contacts to sync. We are going to select Yes. And now it's prompting us to download the Lexus app. We have already done that, so we are selecting Cancel. And then it wants to pair CarPlay. We are going to select No for right now and Not Now on our phone. And your pairing is complete. To pair your phone to Bluetooth, you are going to select Setup on the main menu sidebar, and then Bluetooth and Devices. Next, you will select Search for Devices, and this will populate available devices to pair to. You can also select your vehicle from your phone, but we are going to select from the interface screen. And next, it is going to prompt you to pair and give you a code to confirm. So we're going to select Pair on the phone and OK on the screen. We are not going to download the Lexus app for this tutorial. We're also going to say no to Android Auto. And then it's going to prompt you to pair your media as well as contacts, and we are going to say yes to both, and then done. To unpair a phone, you will want to go into Settings and Bluetooth and Devices. You will select one of the devices that you are wishing to remove, and then you will select Forget, and then you will confirm the removal of that device by selecting Forget. If you are wanting to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you will want to go into Bluetooth and Devices and select Use for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And if you want to use Lexus Bluetooth, you will want to select Use for Phone and Use for Media. If you are using Lexus Bluetooth, you are going to want to use the Intelligent Assistant. So to activate Intelligent Assistant, you will push the voice command talk switch or tap the screen. You would then use one of the wake words, Hey Lexus, Hello Lexus, OK Lexus, to place your phone call. If you are using Apple CarPlay, Siri is your assistant to place a phone call. If you are using Android Auto, you will utilize Google Assistant to place your phone call. The Favorites tab in your phone menu populates your favorites list from your phone, so you can simply select Favorites and then the contact you wish to call. The Contacts tab populates your contacts list from your phone. Remember that this is just by Bluetooth pairing and not saved to the vehicle. The Recents tab will populate your most recent phone calls. And under the Keypad tab, you still have the option to enter a phone number by the keypad. And then under the Text Messages tab, you can set up your messaging to receive text messages. Under Bluetooth and Devices, where you can access all devices that are paired. And then under Voice and Search and Settings, you have the option to turn off the wake word for voice recognition as well as voice prompt for voice feedback. As always, thank you again for joining me today. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can receive notifications whenever we post new content. And if you have a question, please leave it in the comments or feel free to contact our technology department here at Lexus of Tulsa. We will be more than happy to assist you. We'll see you again next time.